Want to save a web page for offline reading in the Samsung Internet app on your Samsung phone? It's useful because it lets you access important pages even without an internet connection. Here's how you can easily save a web page for offline reading in the Samsung Internet app. Let's get started. First, open up the Samsung Internet app. Now find the web page you want to save for offline reading. Then tap on the three lines icon from the bottom right corner. Next, tap on Add Page to. After that, tap Saved Pages, and this page is saved. If you want to check whether this page is saved or not, then tap on the three lines again. Now tap Saved Pages, and here it is. Just tap and read this page anywhere, anytime, in any situation. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this guide on saving web pages for offline reading with Samsung Internet helped you. If you have any questions or ideas for new videos, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. Enjoy your reading.